how to freeze apps on Samsung. So if you want to freeze apps on your Samsung or any other Android device, then what you need to do is first go and open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with apps. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps. And here you need to just simply go and select the application that you would like to freeze. Like for example, I'll just simply go and select the application right here. So if you want to freeze this application, or let's say I'll just simply go and select Instagram. Now, if you want to freeze this application, you need to go with the force stop option, which will be on the bottom, and then tap on force stop again, or tap on OK. And after force stopping an application, the application will be freezed and it will be disabled. In order to enable it again, you need to go with the same process, open up your Instagram on your settings, and then tap on enable. Or in some cases, you will also have a disable option right here on the bottom. You can just simply tap on disable and disable the application. So that's how you can freeze or disable apps on your Samsung or any other Android device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.